Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to change your flight date on Turkish Airlines. First, open your browser and go to turkishairlines.com. On the home page, click Manage Booking. Enter your ticket number or reservation code and your surname. Then, click the red button to access your booking. Once you're in, look for the option to change flight date. If it's available for your ticket, select your new date, follow the prompts, and confirm. And that's it. Your flight date will be updated. And that's how to change your flight date on Turkish Airlines. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.